how to delete Google search history. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you're going to go on your Google application on your mobile. Then you're going to go on the profile option that is located up above, and then you're going to go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, there are different kinds of option over here. You can see all the options. Then you have to go on generals, and generals, these are these kinds of options. Sometimes you are over here and you will be able to see all the results search histories that are over here. But if your search history is not over here, you have to go back and then again click on your profile, and there is an option your data in search. So you have to click in over there, and there will be my data in search that I have searched in the past time. It may take some time to load because it is online. Now this is my data, and this is all of my data that I have looked on my Google application. Now I have to click on it. This is the data. I have to click on it. I can search whatever I search, and then I have to click on manage search history. And as I click on manage search history, it will take me to the data that I have searched. Now over there is an option of delete. You can click on delete and delete it today, or you can save that delete for another day. This is how you can delete search history on Google. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.